So, got a recent query regarding negative keywords still getting clicks. I have negative keywords in my campaign such as 2026, not actually with the codes, and it's set as broad match. Looking at my clicks, I have a click for a search interior design trends 2026. Is something set up wrong? It doesn't seems like this could happen. All of my keywords in my campaign are on phrase match. All negatives are broad. Another example, I have a click on interior design color platter. Both color and platter are both negative, are negatives. Okay, so if you are getting queries for your negative keywords while you still have added those, so I think there are a few of the things which I like to share over here with negative keywords. So let me move one of the account to show you. For instance, if I move on to this account, okay, just to give you an example, okay. So over here I'm going to show you some keywords. In keywords, if you look around, okay, when you try to add negative keywords, I assume that you add your keywords negative in this way like I am doing it. So if you added, for instance, 2026 as a negative keyword, in this campaign, just an example like this, and if you're still getting searches, look around, over here, and if you look around and get queries on interior design trends 2026. So what about, have you added this as a phrase match keyword? Now this may be confusion over here because negative keywords do not work like the way they were used to be years ago. So the strategy has somewhat changed. So the best way is, if you are having this, move on to your search terms, which I assume you may be doing around. So look around for your search terms by moving on to your search terms over here to see if you have you specifically added those as your negative or not. So if you want, you have to add those as a negative keywords. So this is a way for now. Specifically add those, and if you are adding 2026 as a broad match, okay, let me tell you that negative keywords work like this way. You just have to add them as a broad match, as a generic option, and I still not think that they will appear. But in case if you are showing for keywords like this, make sure if you are having this as an phrase match, if you have added, so this may be confused over here. So try to change the phrase match to exact match, so they do not contradict with each other. So because they are contradicting with each other, which is why your ad may be shown in error. So the best way is to change your keywords, running keywords, from phrase to exact match. And also if you still see some keywords like these where you see your ad is being shown, so add them specifically as a negative keyword. So I hope this answers your question regarding negative keywords. And if anyone needs a professional Google ads services, you can hire us. We are a Google partner company based in UAE, so we look forward to working with you. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.